graduates coming out, and what is their skill sets to compete with the best in the global arena. We have a lot to do there.
Also a great democratizer. I think people have access now to content to take the best of what we have. And as an organization, as a culture, we are a jugaad culture. Our jugaad is to pick all the good ideas within and outside. Let's make it best of breed and let's give it our stamp.
Innovation, nobody puts the money where their mouth is.
Yeah.
They just talk and there is no money going into it, right?
Doing things when criticality is involved. Probably we have the best space program in the world. Our nuclear safety is probably the best in the world, and I can list many things.